What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ackeem Sterling here. If it's the first time here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on videos like these. So basically in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to create a second YouTube channel with your same Gmail address. Now sometimes you want to create a second channel and you don't want to go over to create a second Gmail address. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create your second channel with your same Gmail address. So just stick around. Okay guys, now I'm on my PC. Now if you're from a mobile device, what you can do is to check my previous video where I did how to access your desktop mode on your mobile device. So if you're not sure how to access your desktop mode from Chrome on a mobile device, you need to check that video and come back to this one. Now the first thing you need to do is to sign in with your Gmail account, your existing Gmail account that you have for your YouTube channel. Now once the account has been signing in, just give it a few times for it to connect. Right now, once that has been signing in, it's gonna bring you straight to YouTube. Now there I'm into YouTube right now. So what I'm going to do is to make sure that you click on your profile. Just get it right up. So I'm gonna make sure that I click on my profile where you see your icon where the picture is, right there. Right, so I'm gonna click on my profile. So I'm gonna click on my profile. Now once you click on my profile, you're going to go down to where you see settings. So you're gonna go down and click on settings. Right down here and click on settings. Now once you click on settings, it's gonna bring you to this page, and as you can see right there, it says create a new channel. So you're gonna click on that and create a new channel. Now what this does is to create a new channel with your existing Gmail account. So you don't have to create a new Gmail account to create another channel. So see the create, so it said create a new channel or create a brand account. So in case where you want to start a second channel or a brand channel or whether for your business, you can do this under the same Gmail account without ever creating a new one. Okay, so there I'm going to create now my second account. So I'm going to name it Sterling Production. So there I'm going to create now my second Gmail account using my same Gmail address. So now the account has been created. So there you can see that I have created a new account using the same Gmail address, and I can show you guys that when I click on the icon there, you will see that I also have the same Gmail address for this account as well. So if first want to contact me for information on products or things like that, that can be done on the same Gmail address. So when I go to my profile now, I'm going to switch accounts. Switch account. Okay, so when I switch account, you will see that I have the same Gmail address for this right here. So I can have multiple accounts using the same Gmail address. So you don't have to create other Gmail address to get another account. And that's how you create two accounts with the same Gmail address. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I see you in the next one. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next video. Peace out.